Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here. We're back in the book of 2 Kings. We already have our overview, and then we did an overview of the life of Elisha, and so now we're going to go forward with another page. And you know, we got a lot we can talk about the 2 Kings, the divided kingdom or in the surviving kingdom, and all the different things that have arisen. And so I'm going to come back. I'm going to put it on speed and fast forward so you can see me work. I don't know quite what I'm going to do yet. Maybe Hezekiah, I don't know. But anyway, we're going to see. And I'll be right back. So we are back, my final. Not much to say other than I chose Hezekiah because he had a famous prayer. We know that he was devout to the Lord, and the Lord answered him, which I may do that on the next page, how God responded. But anyway, he turned his face to the wall and he prayed, so that's my wall right here. Of course, it's supposed to be Hezekiah praying. And he reminded God of his faithfulness, his devotion to him, his good ways, the things he did, like he toured out of high places and those kind of things like that. And that, you know, he wanted to spend time with God and he wanted to see God's face. So that was a good turning point in the book of 2 Samuel, because the kings in 2 Samuel were not too great. So this is one of the things that stood out was this prayer. And I'm going to date it for today. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do God's response to that prayer. Because even though Hezekiah prayed because he was sick. And, yeah, long story. Hezekiah ended up slipping. But, you know, he knew when they were coming up against him. What do? You pray. When your enemy comes, you pray. When you're sick in your body, you pray. So that was the life of Hezekiah, and you can find the prayer there, and then some other background information related to God's response in his prayer. So that is what I put for Hezekiah. Thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to read God's word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.